Could this be the myth that defies the notion of man-made CO2 that is causing climate change? In a tiny tin museum in far north Queensland at Herberton, a government-prepared scientific document tends to dispel everything that the current government is now saying about man-made global warming. Later in this little story, you can pause this chart and have a good look. The chart shows the rise and fall of sea level over the past 200,000 years. It shows that 140,000 years ago, sea level drastically rose by 150 metres to 3 metres above the present level and stayed there for 20,000 years. In this chart it shows frequent rises and falls of up to 50 metres, sawtoothing along the chart over many years. It shows that 10,000 years ago there was in fact no Great Barrier Reef, and that the outer shoreline was some 150 metres lower than it is today. What we call our present sea level has only stabilised over the last 5,000 years and not changed. This government-endorsed chart shows that something else may have been causing the big rise and fall in sea levels. In the 5,000 years that the climate has stabilised and the sea levels have remained the same, this is also part of the industrialised age. That can only mean there were other causes driving climate change, and one would have to suspect that this is volcanic activity. The recent volcanic activity in Greenland and Chile has put more CO2 into the atmosphere than man could have in thousands of years. The fact is, we can all change light bulbs, drive Prius cars and pay a carbon tax, but is that going to fix the problem? This chart shows that massive natural events is what is changing the climate, and that the industrialised age has made no difference whatsoever according to this government chart.